Hello everyone, this is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and in today's video, this is my series, Mind My Business Mondays with WhimsiDaisi. And WhimsiDaisi is my planner, covers, and more spread business, and this is the spread that I created for April 27th through May 3rd. Gosh, can you guys believe it that this year is just flying by? This is the Big Happy Planner, and this is also the teacher layout, which usually the dates are here and the subjects are across the top, but I chose to do the subjects here on the sides and put my dates across the top so that everything is downward as far as planning and not across. I call this my pink lemonade spread because of the pinks and golds in this spread. These flowers spoke to me. I thought they were so cute, and they are like a rose gold color. These are black, and this says here, bring, I can't even see. Let's see, let's just take out. It says bling, do it in the sunshine. That's what it says. I couldn't even see what it said. It says bring on the sunshine. My bad. I really need to go get my eyes checked. And it just has a few important things, and don't forget things that I got going on this week. And hopefully by the time you see this video, because this is pre-recorded, that the beer flu has been lifted and we can move about our life as normal. And my focus is to bloom. For me, that word means to grow in many areas of my life, so I'm focusing on growing. And this one says here to think happy and be happy. If you're constantly thinking happy, you will be happy. But being happy is also a choice. It's a verb. It's an action. It's something that you have to do. That propels you to do something. So it's like your being. Your to be is to do something. You are something. So I like to also put I am in front of the subject, which is I am happy. And you are what you say you are. So if you're happy, you are happy. We are what we eat. If you eat junk, your body will let you know you are junk. So just my philosophy for the day. And no rain, no flowers. Flowers cannot grow without water, literally. And figuratively, if you don't drink enough water, you will dehydrate yourself. So, and you need that for sustainability. Okay, that's enough of my philosophy for the day. So again, this is Home, Work, Inspired Designs with Jay, WhimsiDaisi, and Impress A. So yeah, this is my spread for this week, and I call it my pink lemonade with all of the yellows and golds on here, and I hope you enjoyed this spread. If there's any business tips you would like, or how to start your YouTube channel, please leave me a comment below. And if you want to grow, I'm trying to do everything organically, and whether it be the videos and the thumbnails that I put up, or collaborating with other YouTubers to grow organically. There are programs out there or software that you can purchase to not do it organically, but YouTube frowns upon that and you don't get paid. I'm trying to get paid, and this is my therapy as well. So guys, this is it. This concludes my video. I hope you liked how I put this spread together, and if you would so kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss my videos. Give me a like, thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And also share my videos. That will help me out so greatly in the long run. And it is my goal to inspire you to design your life with style, whether it's in your home or in your planning your spread. If it makes you happy and brings you joy, I say do it. Do what you love. And yeah, that's it. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.